the Gospel these days, the last week of Easter, culminating in the celebration of Pentecost this coming Sunday, we hear about what experts call the farewell discourse. Because these are the words of Jesus before He offered His life on the cross. Nagpapaalam si Jesus, naghahabilin si Jesus. And one important reminder from this farewell discourse, isang mahalagang habilin for the disciples to be one, to be united, to remain as one. And this is the prayer of Jesus, by the power of the Spirit, by the power of the Father, that they may be one. Pagkakaisa, magkaisa, pakikiisa. But you know, this is not only for His disciples, because Jesus in the Gospel today also was praying for those who will believe in Him through the words of the disciples. No? He was praying for unity for His disciples, but also for those who will still believe. The future disciples, kasama tayo dun. That we may be one. A prayer from Jesus that we all need, because unity, genuine unity, has been so difficult for humanity, has been so difficult for us, even in our own families, or in our own community. Until now, Christians remain to be divided. Kanya-kanya tayong relihiyon. And yet, we call ourselves followers of Christ. And where is unity among Christians? I was reading the latest document coming from Pope Francis talking about the Jubilee year of 2025, no? Spes non confundit. At he talks about unity. At ang sabi niya, ang isang skandalo sa pagkakaisa ay ang mga Kristiyano, yung East and West, magkaiba pa ng date ng Easter. You know, the heart of Christian faith, the resurrection, hindi tayo magkasundo kung kailan isa-celebrate. Nakalagay doon, ano? That's one clear scandal in the prayer of Jesus to be one. That the center of our faith, which is resurrection, the Western Church and the Eastern Church cannot agree when to celebrate it. No? That they may be one. Our own efforts for unity is clearly a very important step in our faith in becoming like Christ. It's not easy. That's why we need the Spirit. That's why we have Pentecost, so that the Spirit may make us one. Amen.